G'day guys, welcome back to VTA. I know I've been slacking lately and haven't put many videos up. Just been a bit busy at home, but that's all good. Just going to give you a bit of a rundown. I've been chipping away, doing a little bit here and there, so I'll give you a rundown of what's been going on. So, I've gotten actually quite a bit done. As you can see, elephant in the room is the head is actually back off. We actually made an attempt to start it the other day, which I did film. I'll edit it in here. This is the first attempt at starting. I hadn't even turned the fuel on or anything before I took this video, so I'll edit that in here. First ever attempt. I don't know what it's going to try and do now. Give it heaps of choke and we'll see what it wants. Go half choke.
There you go, half choke.
It might still want full choke, I'm not sure. Go. Oh, it's long for you. Yeah, go heaps choke. As soon as keep your hand on the choke, as soon as it fires, take the choke away. Yep. Choke away. Take it off.
All the way, yeah. Maybe some more throttle.
I think that would matter. Sure. It should be, no, it's wide open anyway because governor. If the governor's holding it open until it revs up.
Yep.
So as you see, you got it to start, got to run a little bit. So that's really good. It means, timing's going to be pretty close. A little bit of adjustment. It had a bit of a miss. But that's mostly because the head gasket is leaking. We could actually see it. It was filled up with water and there was water running down the front of the block here. We did reuse the original head gasket. It looked all right. But obviously, 85 years old is what it is. So we've got that off now. We're getting a new one made, so that's good. But yeah, I'll give you a walk around and show you all the things that I have actually I've been doing. I've filmed bits and pieces, but I've lost it and I've just been unorganised lately. So, all right. So last thing you saw was we put the mud guards and stuff on, so that's all good. Since then, I've put the drawbar all back together, which sort of easier said than done. All the I'll find my finger. There it is. All these brackets and stuff. Everything was just that little bit tweaked, and getting it all to bolt together was a bit of a challenge. So yeah, a little bit of heat in a few places to try and straighten it up. But yeah, it's all bolted back together now. Got the drawbar on there. This isn't quite as it was originally. There was a different sort of bracket to link the top and bottom of the clevis together. But anyway, we made this bracket up. We were able to modify the roller off actually a later model tractor, so it's a little different, but does the job and it swings as it should. So that's all good. What else have we been doing? I've made up all the linkages. This rod here, which is the choke rod, had been cut off there, so welded a new piece of rod on. I had all this hooked up to the manifold and everything when it was together, obviously. But anyway, yeah, so that's your choke linkage. That's your the heat linkage for the manifold. So got that all sorted. Radiator's on. I went through and I cleaned it out. It has got a couple of slight leaks, which I think I'll be able to fix, hopefully. If not, is what it is. We'll figure it out, a way to do it. We do have another radiator. Whether that one's better than this one, I don't know. I went through, made a set of plug leads. That one's popped out, but that's all right. Made a set of plug leads, so that's happy. We managed to find some filter that fits in here. What we actually ended up doing was 2 filters stacked on top of each other that were the right dimensions, well, half of the right dimension, of course. So 2 stacked on top of each other actually worked perfect. You'll see in the, well, you might not actually see it, when we did start it and get it running for a second, it leaked oil out around here quite badly, which we have since fixed by putting a thicker gasket, making a thicker gasket up to go in there. So we think we've fixed the problem there. Fuel tank's mounted, steering and everything's on. I think we'd already covered that previously. I'm going to set this headlight up to run eventually. This wasn't on this tractor, but it's a vintage headlight and it looks like it fits nicely and I like it. So I'm going to set it up to run a generator. Fuel lines, fuel bowl, pretty basic stuff there. So yeah, so just been chipping away, lots of little things, and just when I've got spare time, which is easier said than done lately. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for this short little update. And yeah, hopefully this thing will be running and driving around. My goal is to have it at the Longford's 40th anniversary in March. So that's the tractor club that I'm in, and yeah, hopefully that's where we get it to. So thanks, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.